Hello and welcome to Big Friendly Grub. I hope you're well, you beautiful human beings. Now, I don't want to muck about today because this video was not planned. This is being done out of necessity. The reason being is because I need burger buns. I went to the shop to get burger buns for another video that you will see coming up on the channel, but they had none, or they had very few that were suitable for my requirements. The weather's nice, lockdown's easing, everyone's doing barbecues, so everyone's buying up the burger buns. And the ones that were there were far too small for what I need. I need nice big buns. So I thought, Matt, you know how to make burger buns, just make them. So that's what I want to do today. I want to show you how to make nice, traditional, classic burger buns. So you'll be happy to hear I'm not going to do a super long intro. Let's get started. Let's get some buns. Right, I'm going to do this all by hand today, and I'm going to pop in 500 grams of strong white bread flour. I want 7 grams of dry yeast, 30 grams of caster sugar, 10 grams of salt, 30 grams of melted butter, 1 beaten egg, and roughly 275 millilitres of warm milk. I'm going to pop in some of it, then I'm going to get in and start combining this all together. And if I need more of it, I'll add more. I'm going to get in with my hands now because I want to bring that all together. Still a bit dry, a bit more milk. There you go, that's brought that into a sticky dough, so I'm going to take that out of the bowl, then I'm going to start kneading this until it comes into a lovely smooth dough. This will probably take about 10 minutes, so I'm going to speed this up. There we go, after 10 minutes of kneading, we've got a lovely smooth dough there. So I now need to just pop this into a bowl, like so, which I've oiled a bit, then leave that for at least an hour or until it's doubled in size. After a good 90 minutes or so, my dough has risen nicely. It's now about double in size. So I want to make some nice big buns out of this. So I'm probably going to divide it into, I think I'm going to divide it into like 4, maybe 6. So I'm going to knock the air out of this. I'm going to weigh this. That's 838 grams. So for 4, I want about 109.5 grams, 210, close enough. There we go, I've got 4 nice sizes of dough there, so I want to make sure these are into nice and round bun shapes. Get under here, pinch underneath the bottom. There we go, now I'll shape these into a nice burger bun shape. Get under here, like so, just work underneath them with my hands. Give them a bit of a roll, like so. And I'm going to pop these onto a baking sheet, which I've just lightly greased. Then I'm going to cover this with a clean tea towel and leave them to proof for probably about 45 minutes. Okay, it's been roughly an hour and my buns have grown up nicely. Grown up, risen up nicely. They have grown up. They are my children. So what we want to do now with these, don't mind me, I'm just shaping them so they're a little bit more round, is get them brushed with a little bit of milk. I've just got some whole milk here. I'm just going to brush all over. Then with those brushed with milk, I'm just going to put over some sesame seeds over the top. Making some nice classic buns here. And doorbell's ringing. Fantastic. That was a parcel for my neighbour. Gav, if you're watching this, you had a parcel. There we go, with these and half my kitchen covered in sesame seeds, these can now go into the oven at about 180 degrees C for about 15 to 20 minutes. Right, these have had the full 20 minutes, and those are some whopper of a buns. And that's exactly what I want, because these are going to get put through their paces in the next video, which will come out in a few days if you're watching this when this video comes out. But these are exactly how I want them, nice and big, nice and chunky, nice and hot, but they look really good. So that's how you make burger buns, nice and simple. Just takes a bit of time like all bread, but if like me, you go to the shop, there's no burger buns because every other bugger's bought them for their barbecue, then this is how you make them. These are quite big, so if you don't want 4 that are this big, then obviously you can just split it to 6 or even 8 if you want smaller ones. But these have come out nicely and you can see them put through their paces in my next video. So that's it from me. I'm not going to do the usual spiel because I'm not going to be using these yet, but I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you next time I'm Big Friendly Grub. Like the video and subscribe. Thank you, bye!